Hi, I'm Loki and I'm offering the Women's Circle Facilitators course at the Krishna Village. What we do in this course is teach you the structure of Women's Circle, of any Women's Circle. You will learn the opening rituals, the closing rituals, and everything in between, which is almost unprecedented. And in this course, you are going to learn how to transform and support women, transform their stories, the traumas, anything unresolved within their system, and be able to transform it into a freedom for them. You are going to learn how to set up all of the structures of any kind of women's circle, whether it be a Zoom circle, a red tent circle, a new moon circle, and you will experience the Krishna Village circle here, which has been very profound in my journey. I'm going to teach you how to set up a non-judgmental, confidential space that women can drop into. You're going to learn how to be a safe space, and it is really what the world needs now. So that's what we offer over this beautiful weekend. I hope you'll join us.